Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dima from Dima's Vlog, a mommy YouTuber based in India. If today is your first time of seeing my face or coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe. You will not regret doing that, okay? So guys, I'm starting this vlog in my kitchen. See, my life has totally changed ever since I had a baby. These days I now plan ahead of time, because if I don't, anything I don't plan that week, I just be sure I'm not going to execute it. So one of the things that has been helping me since I had my baby is bulk cooking. Like before now, I used to just basically cook what I and my husband would eat, and that's it. But these days, because I have limited time to be in the kitchen, I have to bulk cook. That way, it helps me, it saves time, and it helps me to attend to other of my needs. And today is one of those days when I bulk cook, I restock my fridge and all of that. So I thought to carry you guys along, and I hope you are going to enjoy this vlog. Okay, please do well to subscribe and like my channel. Like this vlog if you like this kind of content. Okay, and let's get started. Cooking white soup, that is insala soup and edder soup. Last week I made okra soup and egusi soup. I still have those in my fridge. So today I'm going to make white soup and white soup, that is insala soup, and cocoyam soup, that is edder soup. So keep watching to see how this vlog is going to turn out. So let's get started. See, pardon the noise that you're hearing, it's from my baby. So already I have my proteins on the fire, they are already soft. So I'm going to introduce my ingredients and I will start cooking right away. So guys, I've introduced my ede, that is my cocoyam paste, into the pot. This pot is for the insala and the other pot is for the ede soup. So I've introduced my ede into the pot of insala. Into the pot which I'm using to cook the insala. Then I'm also going to introduce the remaining of the paste into the other pot. I'm going to turn that around. Guys, this soup is almost similar. The only difference is that for the insala, you don't need red oil, but for the ede soup, you need to add red oil. And also the vegetables. For insala, you just need a otazi or okazi. But for the ede, you can use bitter leaves or you can use ora or oha, whichever one you want. So I'm going to be adding oil into that pot, but for this pot, I'm not going to be adding oil. So one thing I forgot to mention, even though this is not a cooking tutorial, I forgot to mention that for your insala, like the typical insala soup, you need yam. But because yam is not readily available where I live, I opted for cocoyam. You can use cocoyam, you can use potato, whichever one you want, it's all okay. So I'm going to cover the two pots, allow the cocoyam to cook before adding the remaining ingredients. This is my cocoyam soup. I like my cocoyam soup very watery. You know, cocoyam, once you are done cooking it, it thickens as it gets cold. So I'm going to cover my pot. So guys, my baby didn't allow me to continue. I had to go and put on my bag. So my soup is almost ready. For the white soup, I've added the otazi leaves. It's already just almost. I'll allow it to simmer. Then for my other soup, I'm going to add onubo. So once you add your onubo, your soup is ready. So I'm going to stir this. So My headed soup is ready, as well as my white soup.
Hours later.
So, guys, later that day, I went to the supermarket to restock some of the things we no longer have in the house, and mostly they are vegetables, and vegetables are the things that we restock weekly. So, on this particular day, I ran out of powdered milk as well, so I had to get some powdered milk, but the remaining ones were just vegetables, which I do restock weekly. So I got some cucumbers, some bell peppers for my sauce, and some groundnuts and some of so I also got some coconuts because I plan making coconut rice this weekend. I also got some oranges, some apples, and basically all that fruits that we no longer have in the house. And guys should be wondering, why didn't you get fresh tomatoes? Yes, I didn't get fresh tomatoes because I already have tomato paste, homemade tomato paste, which I made sometimes last 2 weeks or last 3 weeks. So I posted the video on my channel, should in case if you want to make yours this festival period. It's really time saving, guys. If you make that, trust me, you're not gonna regret it. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description box so that you go check that out, should in case if you want to make yours. Okay, so keep watching. So guys, this is all I got from the supermarket, and this cost me around 2000 rupees. Things are really expensive these days.
It's me ranting about motherhood. Motherhood journey is not an easy thing. It is not easy. It's not even for the faint heart. I've been in this kitchen for the past 6 hours. I'm not even exaggerating, I'm serious. I've been in this kitchen for the past 6 hours. What happened was that whenever I want to do one thing, my child is awake, I have to stop, I have to up the gas and go and attend to her. Then I will come back again and continue. And these days she's becoming alert of her environment. So any slightest noise that you make wakes her up if she's sleeping. So whenever I want to blend, she's awake. If I turn on the blender, she will wake up. I will stop and go and attend to her. See, shout out to all mothers. You guys are heroes. Like, it's not easy. It is not easy. Respect all mothers that you know. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's vlog, and see you in my next one. Thank